Hi, today I'm for the Motorola E32s and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first let's open the just one from your device home screens and then just tap press and hold with your finger the empty space. Then you'll see with the widgets icon. After that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. Here under of the name of each of the application we can see how many widgets and shortcuts this application got. For example, the photos, I've got 2 different widgets, the settings only 1, the calendar also got 2 widgets. So let's use the calendar schedule just to add the widget. We should touch and hold and just move it to our home screen. If you want to move this widget on the home screen or between the screens and just to create a new screens with a widget, you should just hold it and drag it. To just to resize the widget, you should just hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. And just to remove widget, we should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.